called the promise given by Jesus. Because you know, life is a gift from God, death is a greater gift from God, and life after death is the greatest gift from God. Proven that what Jesus had somehow experienced would also be a challenge for us. But here on the second element, the reality of mission, because before he left, after the instructions, after the after the preparation given to them, the mission to his disciples, the vision that somehow realized today. And I guess we have also the same thing. Bear in mind when we were baptized, when we receive the sacrament, we have given a certain mission. In fact, the challenge for us to live the three divine office of Jesus, to be priests, prophets, and king. And those missions entrusted to us are being realized in our life today. I guess but the question is, are we somehow become mature or we grow in our mission? You know, this celebration of Ascension is also associated with the church celebration of the World Communication Sunday, which I believe is one of the important tools of evangelization. We try to use the communication or the social media. We know in our history we have three media or means of communication. What are they? Words, television,